Hi everyone, Physicscoach. First of all, read the question carefully. We have two columns are given, column 1, column 2. We need to match. So right hand thumb rule, if you know what is right hand thumb rule, that is put your thumb in the direction of current. The direction in which your fingers are curling is the direction of magnetic field. Basically, this rule is used to determine the direction of magnetic field around a current carrying conductor. Okay. Next is like what is electromagnet? Electromagnet is a temporary magnet that can be turned on or turned off. Clear? If you want magnetism, you just switch on. If you don't want, then switch off. Clear? Magnetic field lines is basically represent the magnetic field visually. Okay, if you need to visualize magnetic field, then you will draw magnetic field lines. Clear? Solenoid, inside the solenoid, uniform magnetic field is produced. Inside parallel straight magnetic field is generated. So which option is correct? A4. Okay, C second. So option B. Clear? Understood or not? B. They are saying B is 1. Okay. 1 minute. Solenoid. B third. B third, not B. Option B third. It means either A or C. So B third is here. C second, C one. So C second. Okay. C second means option A is correct. Clear? Understood? For C, it is second. For D, it is 1. Thank you so much. Still you have doubt, like you can ask me. Okay. It's a small doubt. Okay. Thank you.